In this question, you're asked to find the equation of a line perpendicular to this line through the point where this line meets y-axis. This is a very standard equation. What is x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1? This is a line whose x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 6. That means this is 4, 0. This is 0, 6. Now, I want a line which is perpendicular to this line through the point where this line meets y-axis. This I want a line like this. I want some line which looks like this, which is perpendicular to the given line and passing through the point where it cuts y-axis. How do I find this line? Again, a very straightforward question. First, let me convert this into the general form. So 6x plus 4y is equal to 24. This is the original line. Now any line perpendicular to this line, so any line which is perpendicular is of the form 4x minus 6y is equal to some constant. You have to interchange the x and y coefficients and you need to introduce an extra minus. 4x minus 6y is equal to constant. Now this line has to pass through 0, 6, right? From this you can find the value of k. So 4 times 0 minus 6 times 6 is equal to k. This implies k is equal to minus 36. So we just put k is equal to minus 36. The equation is 4x minus 6y plus 36 is equal to 0. This will be the required equation of this line. Thank you.